You go, Coney. You get a little bit of that animal cracker. Is it the most delicious animal cracker? Yes. Yes, I hear you. Down. Down. 1 second. Where'd it go? Where'd half that cracker go? You eating the whole cracker? Are you eating the whole cracker? I love that dive. Dive gnaw. Oop, oop. He's got a chunk.
Yeah.
Oh, the cookie. Where are you going? Where are you going? Are you done? You done with cookies?
Yep.
No, no more cookie. I don't want any more cookie. I'm done. I had like 3 of them. That's enough. Bleh. Are you cookied out? Are you cookied out, kiddo? Come in. Dad, I think there's some cookie on my shirt. I'm gonna get you. Boop. Boop. No, you can't bite my finger. It's a terrible idea. You're a chewing machine, kiddo.
Did you find another onion, buddy?
Nope, 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 nope! Ah! You're vicious. You got 2 teeth and you're already ready to commit manslaughter with them. Oh, no! Oh! No bitings. No bitings! Conan! Conan! Get a button. Get a button. Conan. Conan. Oh! Did gravity get the best of you? Did gravity get the best of you? Gosh, this thing moves. What is that? What is that? It's alive! It's alive! Can you say bye-bye, Conan? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yummy.